Welcome to today's Crypto News Roundup, where we bring you the latest updates and developments in the world of cryptocurrencies. In today's edition, we'll cover a range of topics, including regulatory actions, industry consolidation, and the push for wider adoption. Stay tuned as we delve into the headlines that are shaping the crypto landscape. Let's jump right in. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, filed for a Bitcoin ETF, offering investors exposure to the cryptocurrency amidst regulatory scrutiny. The iShares Bitcoin Trust will use Coinbase Custody as its custodian. BlackRock previously launched a spot Bitcoin trust for institutional clients. The filing comes as the cryptocurrency industry faces regulatory challenges, including recent lawsuits against major exchanges Coinbase and Binance. Experts see BlackRock's move as a positive step towards regulatory approval and reflect public interest in crypto. A spot Bitcoin ETF would track Bitcoin's market price without direct ownership. The SEC has rejected similar proposals, but Bitcoin prices rose 2% after the announcement. In a fiery exchange, tech mogul Mark Cuban and former SEC official John Reed Stark clashed over the regulatory crackdown on the crypto industry. Cuban argued that small startups are being burdened by excessive regulation, while Stark defended the SEC's actions to protect investors. They debated the utility of tokens and the need for clear guidelines. Cuban drew parallels between the early internet and crypto, predicting that most blockchain companies and tokens will fail, but highlighting the potential of smart contracts. He called for regulatory modifications to support startups and enable industry growth. MicroStrategy founder Michael Saylor believes the crypto industry will consolidate around Bitcoin following SEC lawsuits against Binance and Coinbase. Saylor predicts Bitcoin's dominance could reach 80%. This consolidation may pose challenges for exchanges like Coinbase, but Saylor remains confident in their importance. He believes institutional investors will be more likely to invest if the sector becomes more Bitcoin-focused. Saylor stands firm in his belief in Bitcoin's dominant position in the crypto space. The SEC has charged Binance.US with violating securities laws and freezing their assets. The company has conducted layoffs, affecting around 50 employees. According to Reuters, they reached out to Binance.US for comment, but received no response. The dismissals mainly impacted legal, compliance, and risk departments. The situation remains confidential. The SEC accused Binance and its CEO of creating a web of deception to evade securities laws. Binance pledged to vigorously defend itself. The SEC also sued BM Trading, Binance.US operating company, for misleading investors. They requested a freeze on Binance.US assets, totaling over $2.2 billion in crypto and $377 million in US dollar bank accounts. Binance.US called the request unwarranted and the allegations unjustified. The Hong Kong Monetary Authority is reportedly pressuring major banks HSBC, Standard Chartered, and Bank of China to accept crypto exchanges as clients. This move aligns with Hong Kong's goal of becoming a global crypto hub. Despite concerns and resistance from conventional banking mindsets, the HKMA is encouraging banks to meet the legitimate business needs of licensed virtual asset service providers. While banks worldwide have been cautious about engaging with the crypto industry, the HKMA's guidance may lead to increased cooperation. HSBC, Standard Chartered, and Bank of China have expressed ongoing dialogue with regulators and their interest in monitoring developments in the crypto space. That concludes today's Crypto News Roundup. We hope you found these updates informative and insightful. Remember to stay updated with the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies by subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions or would like us to cover specific topics in future episodes, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time with more exciting news from the crypto sphere. Stay crypto savvy and take care.